If Telegram videos aren't playing on your iPhone, stuck loading, showing a black screen, or not starting at all, this video will walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you are on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up iPhone storage. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. After that, tap iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space. Low storage can prevent videos from buffering or playing. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache and re-download the video. Open Telegram, then go to Settings and tap Data and Storage. Tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing playback issues. Solution 3. Download the video fully. Instead of streaming, tap the download arrow on the video, wait for it to finish downloading, then tap play again. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.